Hello, I'm Dr. Perrier, and welcome to Biology Island, my small part of the TCC Island, which is run by the Tidewater Community College. And so we'll be doing some activities here. What I want to show you today is how to manipulate these colored balls behind us, which are representing atoms, to make a simple molecule like an amino acid glycine. Above the boxes we have the balls. The H is standing for hydrogen, which is a pink ball. The oxygen is O is for oxygen, which is a green ball. The C is for carbon, which is a black ball. The N is for nitrogen, which is a orange ball, and the P is for phosphorus, which is a blue ball. Above the balls you're seeing some diagrams, and you want to study those before you try to build a molecule. This is the diagram for the amino acid glycine, and this shows you how the atoms are arranged. The orange one being the nitrogen, the black one's carbon, the green one's oxygen, and the pink one's hydrogen. Notice that these are covalent bonds, and so the atoms overlap a little bit. And this is what you want to be sure you look at this before you start to build your molecule, because you want your molecule to look almost exactly like this when you're done. What I want to do now is to show you how to create a copy of these atoms that you can then manipulate, how you manipulate it, how you duplicate it, and how you can change your view around the molecule as you build it to make sure you have your atoms lined up. So you're going to first, let's look at oxygen. We'll do this all with the oxygen atom. Right click on the oxygen molecule and you'll get this box, and come down and left click on take a copy. You could also go to buy to do this, but take a copy is a little easier. When you take a copy like that, it makes a copy of this into your inventory. Your inventory is going to be on the right side of your screen, a little suitcase icon. You click on that. Here you can see the icons. They're a little further from, when I clicked on it, it's a little further out. And here you can see the suitcase icon that is inventory. These other icons do different things, but you need the suitcase one for inventory. We're doing oxygen, so we're going to go to the oxygen atom here. We're going to right click on that and left click on where. Now you see that the oxygen atom's now attached to my hand. I'm wearing it on my hand. That's what where did for us. We want to drop this on the ground now, so I right click on the oxygen atom on my hand, and in this drop down box I left click on drop. It's going to ask me, do I really want to do this? And I say yes, I do. And now we have ahead of me on the ground the oxygen atom. We're going to look at what we can do with that. To move the oxygen atom, you're going to right click on it and left click on edit. You get these arrows. The arrows allow you to move the ball, or this atom here, backwards and forwards, up and down. And the red ones here are going to allow you to move it even towards us and away from us. So you can move this ball around fairly easily using these arrows. Click on the ball, click on edit, and then you can move the arrows. Now you need two oxygen atoms to make this amino acid, so you need to duplicate this. So as you're going to move it, hold the shift key down first, then move the atom, and you'll see now I have two different atoms. So now we can duplicate the atom and move the atom around. If you want to check whether your atoms are lined up or not, you want to have a different view of them sometimes. Click on View at the very bottom toolbar of on your screen, and you can actually rotate, it's on the right, rotate around and get a different view of the atoms. You can also move backwards and forwards with this view control. This video has shown you how to take a copy of the atom to your inventory, how to drop it, how to move it around, how to make duplicates. I hope you find that useful.